about 5.5 weeks old. Precious little babies. They have like perfect precious baby mode, which you're seeing here. And then puppies. Come here, guys. Come here. Hi. Hey, and then there's these guys who are just wrestling. Are you wrestling? Yeah, slappers. Little slappers. What good puppies. There's Hippo in the back. Gazing. Are you gazing, mister? Yeah. He's so sweet. He just loves a massage. Yeah. He reminds me so much of Kai, baby Kai. There's Phoenix, the short-coated one. She's tiny, so that's the biggest and the littlest there. She is so feisty. She's the one who keeps getting out of the pen. I've reconfigured it so many times, and at this point I'm like training her, so I had to start completely from scratch. What are you doing, Peppa? Wants to have a little chomp. Is it crate time? Yeah, there she goes. And these guys are still going at it. Hey, what if we went to bed? Hey, puppies. What if we went to bed? What are you doing? Beating each other up. Oh, now you're gonna wake everyone up. I should not have done that. Okay, I gotta go separate them.